Peace to the family. So in order to grow your business, what you need to do is to sell more of your products or more of your services. So the problem is you don't know a lot of people who are looking to buy the products or services that you are selling. So today I want to introduce you to one important web app known as the TenderTube. So what TenderTube does, it gathers requests from buyers who are looking to buy various products and services, right? So let me take you to the website. So it sends these requests in form of supplier invitations, requests for quotations, requests for proposals, NGO tenders, free tenders, international and domestic tenders. So you can view all these tenders for free. So let's just create the free account now. Okay, so there we go. So I'm looking forward for the free account. It have got most of the premium features. There we go. So at this point I have to confirm my email. So I'm gonna visit my Gmail. So there we go, that's our email address from TenderTube. So I only need to confirm the account. Hi Tybaro, please click. So they just confirm the account. Easy. So congratulations, your account has been successfully activated. So let's log in. There we go. So at this point, TenderTube wants to do some profiling so that it gathers enough information about the customer. Sigma Systems Private Limited. Then my mobile number. There we go. Okay. All right. So welcome to TenderTube. As you can see, my account, I've been given 31 days. So that's good enough for the free account before I upgrade the account. So to get started, I'm gonna click here. So let's just click here. Okay, so we are given a maximum categories of 5 industry sectors. So me, I'm in the ICT business, so I'm interested in ICT, ICT consultancy, and ICT network installation and repair. So that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna say done. So there we go. So these are our tenders. So let's just click and find out. So this one, supply and equipment of fingerprint. So we can click view. Let me open new tab. So it basically gives you all the information that you need to apply for this tender. So it gives you the closing date, like this one is December 7, then the pre-bid meeting is in November 18, all the details, including the original PDF document. Okay, let's view other tenders. So this is from Dairy Board Holding. This is nice. Let's see some other tenders. So that's all you need to do. You just need to be viewing the tenders from your dashboard, but all these tenders will be delivered directly to your email inbox. So let's view ICT equipment, video conferencing systems, digitalization of new office, that's Zimbabwe Power Company. And then CESA Holding is looking for the supply and installation of disaster recovery system, video conferencing solution. We also have supplier invitations. Let's view this one. It's from UNICEF. Office equipment, stationery, health insurance. There is a lot. If you're selling for these big companies like UNICEF, you are guaranteed they are going to require a huge batch of products or services that will mean a lot of money for you. One sale can get you somewhere. Without that one sale, you'll be struggling in the street for a very long time. So try to create a new account here and participate in this bid. We also have requests for proposals. This is just a proposal, something that anyone can participate, can propose. They'll give you the email address or the physical address where you have to mail your proposal. We also have notification award, supply and delivery of laptops, which was awarded to Omni Africa. So these guys, they made $3 million. Let's view other notification award. Let's view another one. This one, the enterprise resource management system. Look at how much this system was sold for. It was sold for $2 million. That's a lot of money for a resource management system, which is something you can easily develop using PHP or using Java. And then we have this one, supply and delivery of laptops and printer. This one was awarded to Global Horizons and also another company called Nasraq Technologies. So look at the money, look at the money. This is $1 million. Yeah, it's a lot of money. And this is 296,440. That's good money. This company was not disclosed. Probably it was awarded to Nasraq Technologies. So this could be your money. All you need to do is to participate in the bids, right? Make some money. It's not very hard. TenderTube is giving you this platform so that you can participate in the bids. So that's pretty much it, guys. Please sign up to this TenderTube service and participate in the bids. Look at this, 14 people who needs your ICT services and all these supplier invitations. It's pretty much easy to make this money. These are the people who are looking to buy, right? So what you need is to supply these people with your products and services and make some money.